Okay, so this is looking at question 2 of the money paper, looking at text A, and this is a find and retrieve question, and as you can see it's worth 3 marks. The text that we're looking at is this text here. Payday loans are short-term loans for small amounts of money. They are available from high street shops and internet sites. Payday loans can be easy to get, but interest rates are very high. There may be other ways for you to sort out your short-term money problem, so think about the alternatives before you borrow from a payday lender. If you decide to get a payday loan, shop around and compare the interest and charges before you borrow. Make sure you're clear about what will happen if you can't pay it back. Now, the fact that, just like question 1, the statement is according to the text, that shows us that it is a find and retrieve question. So what keywords could we be looking at here? We could be looking at words like before, alternatives. We can see here that we have the word before you borrow there. Okay, so when we're looking at the text, scanning through, used to get, introduce her, something. Alright, here we go. So before you borrow, there's a key word there. So what do we need to do? Okay, so we need to think about the alternatives. So there's one answer, right, to think about alternatives. What else could we be looking at? So again, we're still looking at the words before. If you decide to get shop around before you borrow, again, so shop around and compare the interest and charges would be another. So there's 2 that we have, and we're obviously looking for a third one. Make sure you're clear about what will happen if you can't pay it back. So there's our 3 very simple answers. It's a 3-mark question, so we know that we need to have 3 answers, and then so we just need to write this up. We can see we've got bullet points here, so we're obviously just going to first of all put think about the alternatives, and then shop around and compare the interest and charges, and then finally make sure you are clear about what will happen if you can't pay it back. So you can see we've just gone to the text and we have found the information and we've retrieved it from the text to get our 3 marks. Okay, good luck.